Krishnaji Patil. Well, good evening, friends. We are going to start our lecture right now because I don't want to waste time in this. People may come late or may not come in late. I must solve this problem. So let me do the sharing now. Ajaya, good evening to you. Switch off your video. Switch off your video, please. Switch off videos. Who is this? Suman Kumar, switch off your video. Nandakishore Udavant, please switch off your video. Yes, that's good. 60 people are joined. Okay, so let us begin our lecture on our beautiful points, and they are ST36, ST36 and liver 3. So let us begin. 59 people are joined. I'm admitting all. Savas Mammat, please switch off your video. Switch off your video. Okay, here comes our slideshow. A wonderful, important lecture on these two beautiful points. Savas K. Muhammad, please switch off your video. Switch off your video. Good, thank you. Gajendra Metawala Madhuri is a Kazi, 64 in the meeting. Okay. So friends, why I have chosen this subject? We have been practicing acupuncture. हम लोग acupuncture बहुत बरस से कर रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोग ST36 लिवर 3 ये क्या सिखाने वाला है, इसमें क्या है, इसमें बहुत सारा है, इसमें इतना है कि only these 2 points can be used to heal. In fact, ST36 point itself is such a fantastic point that it can cure almost all the diseases. Okay, ST36 such a point, it can cure all the diseases. That is what is written in the scriptures, that is in the old books. So friends, that is why I have chosen this ST36 Zhu Li 3 mile point. Speciality of this point we'll be discussing now. Let me admit all others. So, slideshow on current slide. So friends, this is our main slide. Okay. And now let us begin the show. Zhu Li, actually it should be Zhu, a Z. Zhu Li ST36. The location 3 kun below the lower border of the patella. and 1 coon lateral to the lower border of tibial tuberosity on the lateral side. That is the location. So you must know the location first. Puncture perpendicular 1 to 1.5 coon. Obtain Dechi sensation and maintain it. Dechi should be felt throughout the lower limb. Means once you puncture a point, you manipulate it in such a way that the patient should feel as if some shock or some heaviness or some tightness is traveling down the leg. Then this is correct Dechi. There are some points in which you get this Dechi very easily. SP6, ST36, LI4, LI11, LI10. P6 is the most sensitive because median nerve is going below that. So when you put a P6 point, you will get a lot of shock here like that. So obtaining Dechi in almost all the points is also important, and especially on ST36. Why it is important? Because, and it should be maintained throughout the treatment. This Dechi should be maintained. After say 5 minutes, if the Dechi goes away, then you again move that. It is important. Let us go to the next slide. Now, let us see what is this point's speciality. It is a He-Si, means He-Si point. The pronunciation is He-Si. He-Si and earth point of the stomach channel. What is meant by earth channel? See, there are many who have learned this subject, many who have not learned this. So I will have to explain this. So there are 5 phase or 5 element points on our hand, up from fingers to elbow and from toes to knee. They are called 5 element points. And the last point on the leg is He-Si point. That is He-Si point. ST36 is He-Si point of the leg. On the hand also, wood, fire, earth, metal, water, well, spring, stream, river, and sea point. So sea points are here and also on the knee joint. They are sea points. What happens at the sea point? How is the sea? Sea is a very big thing, first of all, water, and very deep inside. Similarly, our energy of the ST36 quite goes deep inside, and it is very powerful also. Therefore, He-Si points are very, very important for organ problems because they go, energy goes deep inside. See, on Yuan source point, energy is very superficial. But on He-Si points, the energy is very, very deep. So it can treat the organs. Now, which organ ST36 can treat? Naturally, stomach, large intestine, everything. All the digestive system. Very powerful point, can treat almost all the diseases. Okay. So it is a Gao-Wu command point. Means what? It is an influential point of the whole stomach. Whole stomach, whole abdomen. Anything wrong in whole abdomen, you just put ST36 and twirl it and ask the patient to put his hand softly on the abdomen. See, these things are not given in the books. This I am telling you practically. Ask him to put the hand on his belly and ask him to feel that body-mind connection. So within 5 minutes, his abdominal pain will vanish. Not the disease. For disease, we have to do different things, but at least we can give definitely some relief to the patient. It tonifies chi and nourishes blood and yin. Can it do it in one treatment? No. So please don't be carried away by these sentences. Tonify chi, okay, it can do that. Because the chi is coming from where? From your fingers. You are in this atmosphere, okay? And atmosphere contains this chi. And the chi is moving in your body. And you are taking the chi through your 2 fingers into the needle and into the patient's body. So chi can be tonified quickly. Immediately, some people will feel they will have perspiration after putting ST36, and they will feel immediately good. Something has gone out of the body. That is the duty of ST36. Tonified chi nourishes blood. How it nourishes the blood? In 1 minute? No. In 20 minutes? No. In many days. Because whatever food you are going to eat, that will be digested very nicely every day. See, those people who cannot eat spicy food, put the ST36 point for 10 days. Ask them to eat curry and everything, tikka. They will digest it nicely. This is the importance of this point. So that nourishes the blood, means good quality food is produced and it goes to the blood. And also yin. What is yin? It's a big subject, but at least yin means the structure of the body or structure of the organs. Then it is a Ma Dan Yang, heavenly star point, clears fire and calms the spirit. Who was this Ma Dan Yang? He was a great doctor, and he has 11 points. They are called heavenly star points. Heavenly because the heaven's energy comes and heals you. They are the most important 11 heavenly star points, and one of them is ST36, Zhu Zhan Li. It is the point of sea of water and grain. Sea of water and grain means it is the stomach. Stomach likes water. See, stomach likes wetness and spleen likes dryness. Remember this. There are some logics and some rules in acupuncture which you should by heart. So, stomach likes wetness. So that is why it is the sea of water and grain. Let us go to the next slide. This is the location of the ST36 point. 3 kun below, you see here 3 kun below the lower border of the patella and 1 finger blade lateral to the lower border of tibial tuberosity. This is tibial tuberosity. That is the location. Now let us see the video. If I got the video, I will just show you. Okay, this is the video. Okay, so he has told you the location, and also he has shown you how to puncture the needle. Okay, let us see, some people are there here. Most used points for immunity boosting. ST36 is maximum researched point immunity boosting along with LI4. So at present, friends, if you can needle ST36 every day. If you are not sure whether you are not inserted correctly, show me the photo. I will help you. Let there be thousands of therapists. Show me that. Show me, then I will tell you whether you have done it correctly or not. Because now we cannot practically see. So you puncture yourself and show me that. Then I will tell you whether it is correct or not. Let us go to the next slide. What are the actions? Harmonizes the stomach, means makes the stomachs working perfect. Fortifies the spleen, makes the spleen strong, like a fort. Resolves dampness, means what? See, most important thing about spleen is, it is affected by dampness. What is dampness? Vapors. Okay? Supports the correct chi and fosters the original chi. You forget about this. It helps to increase and maintain the chi. tonifies chi and nourishes blood and yin, that we have already seen. Clears fire and calms the spirit. See, when you are affected mentally, it will correct you. Clears fire and calms the spirit, activates the channel and alleviates pain. This is true for every point in the body. Revives the yang and restores consciousness. If somebody is unconscious, you put this point, nicely rotate it, yang will be raised and patient will come out of his coma. Okay, next slide. The 5 taxations and 7 injuries: insufficiency of original chi, insufficiency of yin chi, insufficiency of zhang chi. You just read this at home. Breast abscess is the best treatment because the stomach channel goes through the breast. Please remember, the breast is nourished by stomach and the nipple is nourished by liver. Swelling of the breast, pain of the knee and shin, pain of the thigh and shin, wind stroke means hemiplegia, paralysis, muscle pain, chronic painful obstruction, lumbar pain with inability to turn, Shan disorder. Shan disorders means like hernia. If you are not able to turn in the bed with lumbar pain, you put this point and see what happens. It is a distal point for full abdomen. It is included in Ma Dan Yang's heavenly star points. Cold in the stomach, borborygmus and diarrhea. Swelling of the leg, pain of the knee, emaciation due to injury by cold and all parasitic diseases. Emaciation means becoming thin. Now this is for you to read at home because we have to go very fast now. ST36 is known for its use in treating following conditions that we have already seen. Now, combinations using other points. This is an old ancient Chinese view. Somebody has given it in some seminar. So ST36 and SPC combination, you have to reinforce, means do it. That manipulation technique has to be taught to you still. I have not, just remember you have to reinforce. And what are the energies? To elevate the yang qi. Clinical condition for rheumatic disease, Bai syndrome and numbness of the legs. That means numbness of the legs, very easy. Bai syndrome means painful leg syndrome, and rheumatic disease means problem with the heart valves. So there are so many combinations you can see. ST36 with GB34, diarrhea, vomiting, nausea, regurgitation means coming up like that. Bai syndrome, knee pain, beriberi of the food. Beriberi means weakness of the food. Vitamin C deficiency. Okay. So next one. ST36 and SP9, edema caused by heart and dysfunction of the kidney. Dysuria means trouble urinating. Edema of the lower extremities, पैर का सूजन with abdominal distension, chronic diarrhea. ST36 and GB39, poliomyelitis. V syndrome means paralysis. Early signs of wind stroke such as numbness and hemiplegia. And hypertension, you can use this point. ST36 plus liver 3 for chronic hepatitis and jaundice. Difficult labor promotes menstrual flow. Scanty अगर flow होएगा menstruation का, ये point लगा सकते हैं. ST36 and kidney 1. ST36 and kidney 1. It is for, see, coma due to anger. I never heard this. Sunstroke, toxic coma, respiratory failure, dehydration, makes blood pressure normal. Very important point. Kidney 1 and ST36 combination. Sure shot. ST36 and Li20 is here. So what can be the use naturally for these problems of the nose? Let us see. Acute chronic rhinitis. See, nasal obstruction due to invasion of wind cold. Wind and cold can enter your nose if you go outside the cold weather. ST36 and LU7 for deficiency, couch caused by fatigue, deficiency, asthma. Stifling sensation in the chest, as if the chest is getting very tight. So you can, I'm going to give you the PowerPoint of this, so don't worry. Even this video also I will give you. See the ST36 and PC8, what is the combination? So belching, irascibility means patient becomes angry very quickly. Vomiting, acid regurgitation, lassitude. Lassitude means not doing anything. आज मैं किधर भी जाऊंगा नहीं, बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा, कुछ काम नहीं करूंगा. That is lassitude. Okay. ST36 and PC8. So reduce that, there is a spelling mistake. Clears heat in the diaphragm and chest. Clears heat in heart and lungs. So again, lassitude, irascibility, etc. ST36 and Li2. Where is Li2? It is on the finger here. Toothache, very good point, caused by upward attack of stomach fire. See, the fire always goes up and it troubles whole head. If your tooth is weak, it will trouble tooth. If your eyes are weak, it will trouble eyes. If your nose is weak, it will become dry. If your mouth is weak, it will have mouth ulcers. Remember, logic in the acupuncture is very important. You should know those rules. So next one, TW6, ST36, definitely for constipation. ST36 and Li10. So definitely for stomach, abdominal distension, irregular bowel movement, constipation, anorexia, dizziness. What is anorexia? A patient sits on the dining table and goes on moving his fingers into the dish but doesn't eat. That is anorexia, psychological. And this is an extension of that. So ST36 and CB21. That is, people are coming late, so CB21 is where? It is here. And severe asthma, naturally this is a local point. Okay, removes food retention, nausea, anorexia, fullness, belching, loose stools and hard muscles. ST36 and CB11 strengthens the spleen and stomach. Very good. CB11. See, this is 9, 10, 11. Here it is. Okay. CB12, ST36. Stomach ulcer. Very good point. But don't puncture too deep inside the CB12. You will damage many things. It has to be done superficially. Epigastric pain. Okay, read this at home. Somebody has done this nonsense here. Who has done this? I don't know. Okay, admit all. Next one. ST36, bladder 17. Naturally, it is for bladder because the bladder 17 is point of blood. Bladder 18, lassitude due to dysfunction of stomach and liver. Naturally, it is liver. ST36, GB4, impotence and prospermia. I don't know what it is, but impotence is important. Stops vomiting and spontaneous sweat caused by yang tzu. Premature ejaculation, impotence due to cheek tzu. ST36, DU14, white blood cell pathology. Very important presently. Both are immune boosting points. DU14 has to be done correctly. Okay. Now, acute and chronic diarrhea due to chi dysfunction, vomiting, nausea related to the intestines. Friends, let me see the time. If you are all ready, I will continue next 30 minutes for asking questions. But let us see how much I can finish. But if I cannot finish it, be ready to come after 10 minutes of finishing this lecture. I will again give you a link which Suvarna will spread all over the groups. So liver 3 location on the dorsum of the foot. I will just show you the video after this. In the depression proximal to the first metatarsal space. Classification, beyond source point of the liver meridian, shoestring point of the liver meridian. Indications, headache, vertigo, redness, swelling and pain of the eye because liver opens to the eyes. Liver also goes around the genital regions. So all the problems of genital regions and eyes can be solved with this. So important fMRI means what? Functional magnetic resonance imaging study carried out in 2014. This time using 4 gates, that is liver 3 and large intestine 4. Again showed significantly increased activity in various brain regions. That means acupuncture really works. You will see the in fMRI is like this. MRI and fMRI are different. In fMRI, you will see the light flashing in particular areas of the brain when you put these points. So don't worry, acupuncture definitely works. Okay, this is a proof. Crucially, the same effects were not observed using sham acupuncture. Sham acupuncture means they will put some other points and again take fMRI. Those areas were not lightening. Let us see. Liver 3 combines famously well with large intestine 4. These 4 points known as 4 gate points stimulate the extremities and have the effect of strongly moving stagnation if they are stimulated correctly. Calming points such as yin tongue and the ear point shenmen also combine well with these 4 gates. What are 4 gates? Gates are like gates of the dam. See, when there is no water for the villages, what the government will do? They will open the gates. So the water will come out with force. Same thing happens in our body. In fact, if you don't know what is to be done, patient is not getting any relief, just put these 4 points. Li4 nicely manipulate, liver 3 nicely manipulate. The gates of the chi will be open and the gust of chi will flow through all the body. Patient will be cured most of the time. Okay, so there are some acupuncturists, they are called as Li4 liver 3 acupuncturists. They only do that. And this happens only in India. Liver 3 is a point I will often call upon when there are problems in the eyes, head, especially tension headaches, red eyes, dizziness, etc. More generally, I will use it to draw the body's attention down and away from the head. So it acts like a distal point. Suppose there is some problem here around the eyes. What I will do? I will remove that energy down. खींच के लेगा नीचे तक. Liver 3 तक नीचे तक energy आ जाएगी. Headache will stop. Eye pain will stop. Redness of the eye will stop. But timing is important. Not immediately. Slowly it will come out. Okay. Massaging this point and using it as a focal area during meditation can be very helpful for people who have tendency to live in their heads. Means those who डॉक्टर हमको ना मेडिटेशन करने के टाइम बहुत थॉट्स आता है, मेरा ध्यान नहीं लगता है. Put this point, pressure this point before meditation. All the thoughts will come down. Very good for those who cannot do meditation. This is the location. Spreads liver chi, subdues liver yang, nourishes liver blood and liver yin, clears head and eyes, regulates menstruation, very important, regulates the lower GI. So these are some of the actions of, I will not read them now, you can read it at home. So according to Spiritual Pivot, there is a book, the liver stores blood, the blood is the residence of the ethereal soul. I am going to give one lecture on the last date, that is 31st. That is on the ethereal soul and corporeal soul. Very, very important in acupuncture. You must know what is ethereal soul and corporeal soul. Although much used in modern clinical practice for emotional and psychological manifestations of chi stagnation such as depression, frustration, pent-up feelings, irritability, menstrual, premenstrual tension, mood swings, weeping, etc. Now these are the, this is already I told you about 4 gates. Now you see this video. Okay, friends. Now, the subject I already told you. If you have any questions, come on, immediately start asking questions. I will first unmute all of you. And then one by one, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me questions.
Sir, on liver 3, moxibustion can be given?
Why you want to do moxibustion on liver 3? Why, first of all? See, moxa
Sir, like
is used for cold diseases. Don't do moxibustion on liver 3. What will happen? The yang will increase, the heat will go to the eyes. Eyes will become red if you do too much. Don't do moxibustion on liver 3. Yes? Understood?
Yes, sir. Right. Yes, sir.
Next one.
And sir, इस पे जो है स्टिमुलेशन दे सकते हैं?
Stimulation definitely दे सकते हैं.
और सर कितनी देर तक देना चाहिए स्टिमुलेशन?
See, डेची आना चाहिए.
कितना टाइम देना चाहिए स्टिमुलेशन?
Once the dechi comes in 1 minute also, you stop that. Ask the patient. You have to train the patients of Indian origin because they don't know. They only know that it is pain. It is not pain. It is dechi. You tell them, dechi है क्या? Oh है. अभी बाद में dechi गया तो पूछो, dechi है क्या नहीं है? नहीं है. तो again you will move a little bit. So dechi should be maintained throughout 20 minutes. It is a great success then. Okay, LI4 and liver 3 cannot be used for diabetes. See, diabetes, you don't treat now. See, ST36, SP6, it will reduce the sugar. But never try to treat diabetes, control diabetes at this level. There are people who can cure diabetes with acupuncture along with so many other things. Okay, next one. Did you all listen to my sound today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Some people are not listening, so there may be some problem there. Come on, ask some more questions. Very important questions you have to ask.
Is it important to treat liver 3 and LI4 together?
Liver 3 and
LI4.
liver. No. Don't bleed it. Why you want to bleed? All the chi will go out, isn't it?
Okay.
This blood, you know, chi is the commander of blood.
Okay.
Chi stops, blood will stop, and there will be pain. And if you remove the blood from liver 3 and LI4, chi will come out, and your main intention of sending the chi to the CR is gone.
Okay. The same is for ST36 and
Yes.
other points also.
Don't bleed. There are special points for bleeding. Okay. See, for example, for bleeding, best point is LU5, all the well points and bladder 40 point. They are good for bleeding because they remove the allergies, they remove the fever.
Thanks, Lord, sir. Thanks.
Welcome. Next one.
By chance, blood comes during acupuncture. If the blood comes, then we immediately stop that.
During acupuncture, removing the needle, if the blood comes, you immediately stop it. If your intention is not to remove the blood, immediately put a cotton ball below the knee and then remove the needle.
The headache also can be treated through this liver
Yes,
freezer.
yes. Very good. LI4 and liver 3, extremely good. See, I have shown you video in which ST36 how to needle is given 1 to 1.5 cool. Somebody was asking about
That is good for hypertension also, right? Sir?
Yes, correct. Yes, liver 3 is very good for acute hypertension. You have to stand near the patient because he may faint because of sudden drop of pressure.
Okay.
Sir, for eye bags also LI3 we can use.
Eye pain,
Liver
yes.
3.
Yes. Eye pain, you can
Eye
use
bag, not pain. Eye bag, that is so swelling under the eye.
eye bank. What is that?
Swelling
bag.
under
Bags.
the bags.
Swelling below the eye bags. Acha. Swelling below the eyes. You know, there are many good treatments for that, but you can try because it is eye bag is here. Okay. So ST stomach channel is going like this. Okay. So use stomach meridian.
Okay. So stomach 36 can for that.
Don't reduce ST36 unnecessarily. If too much yang is there, if the patient is very, very active, his mental condition is bad, he is very, very active and something wrong he is doing, you can reduce that. Because ST36 improves the yang, you have to reduce the yang there. At that time you can use that. But there are many other points also for that.
Sir, Li4. Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, Li4 and liver 3 will help in asthma patients also.
You
For
can try that.
breathlessness, heavy.
Yes,
Huh?
it will not cure asthma, but it will help to reduce the acute asthma. Maybe. So I have not tried it, but best treatment for acute asthma is K3 point. Wonderful. Immediately attack will come down. Nicely manipulate K3, K5 like that.
K3 toning.
Reduce it. Reduce it.
If-
Nicely manipulate it. Increase the strength. 25 it. Be put direction and all. Just put strong manipulation. I have done this 4-5 times. The blue patients become normal now. Okay.
Tonification clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise. See that you do clockwise only. Sir,
Okay.
naval dislocation very oftenly. What is that? Sentence is not good. ST36 is good for breast cancer. Oh no, don't worry about cancer. See, you don't treat cancer. Cancer will increase very fast. Okay? You have to treat pain of the cancer if it is there. In case of cancer, you do Bisoma acupuncture. It will reduce the side effect of chemotherapy. Come on, any other?
Sir,
Bolo.
sir, we test yang. Means the yang character of the stomach.
Please ask.
Sir?
Yes.
We say stomach yang or spleen yang or any character of yang means the yang character of the stomach.
Stomach is the yang meridian, isn't it? And see, in
Yeah.
every organ, there are two things, yang of the stomach and yin of the stomach. You know that? Yang of the and yin means structure, yang means function. So, when you treat ST36, you are increasing the yang of the stomach. Okay? Next one. नाभि डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए आप नाभि का कप लगा दीजिए. Sir, for navel, forget about that. You can use the cupping method on navel. Very good for hyperacidity. Rain 12 and rain 8 cupping, very good for hyperacidity. Okay, next one.
Sir,
Are you
cupping
happy?
can be done on,
What is
sir,
that?
cupping can be done on CT17. Area is not there, but
Cupping.
uh,
No, cupping you do on ST17. Sorry, 17. Are you all happy? Today's lecture, are you all happy?
Yes, sir.
yes,
100%.
Yes, sir.
100%. is
Very
bad.
good.
Yes,
So
I'll
sir. Very
thank for
good
your
lecture.
valuable time.
Please,
Yes, sir.
please join my
Yes.
lecture on 1st August. Okay?
Okay.
1st August is a paid lecture, and 1st August is my mother's anniversary. It means my mother died on 1st August last year. So,
Smile prayers, sir. Smile prayers.
I have chosen that date for my mother. Okay? So you all join that lecture. It is good for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Other questions?
Sir, what is the relation between ST36 and ST42? Because at one place it is said that the pulsation will disappear when you press ST36.